The GS250 combines portability and power in a compact blower unit that's perfect for middle-mile installation. To help us get started, I've asked one of our engineers, Mike, to walk us through the different components that make up your new blowing system.
Thank you, Jason. The Gulfstream 250 comes with everything you need to get up and running with your fiber optic cable installation. Here we've got our instruction manual with DVD, and we've got this duct pack here which contains all the duct packs for your range of duct you'll be installing into. This is our cable seal kit. It has all the cable seals for your range of fiber that you're going to be installing. Here's we have our power cord here and our power supply. It plugs right into the wall or a generator. This is our battery solution for when there's no AC power available. Next, we have our rear entrance cable guides for the range of fiber we're going to be installing. Here's our Gulfstream 250 drive body unit. Over here we've got our battery, extra battery and battery charger. We also have our pneumatic connections here to connect up to your air compressor. Everything you need in this foam-filled durable carrying case. And lastly, we include this tripod here for installation convenience. Everything you need to get that fiber optic installation going.